Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with a free DJIA Elliott Wave analysis for you for the New York trading session dated Monday the 3rd of January. Happy New Year everyone. This is my main wave count, which assumes that the Dow is in a C wave at intermediate degree to the upside, which is unfolding as an impulse with a 1, 2, 3, still to have wave C for an ABC expanded flat correction for wave 4 blue. With further upwards movement, however, this wave count is now looking less and less likely, and the alternate wave count for the daily chart is now looking more likely. If it was over at yesterday's high, then wave B pink is a 149% correction of wave A pink, which is within allowable limits for wave B of an expanded flat, but it's above the usually expected range for wave B of an expanded flat, so this wave count's now starting to look less and less likely. If it is correct, however, we should at least have a trend change at minute degree for the midterm, and we should be seeing a C wave to the downside that's highly likely to overshoot this wide blue parallel channel. But 4 blue can't move into wave 1 blue price territory. We shouldn't see price fall below 10,720. If we do, we'll use my alternate daily wave count, and that will then expect we've had a trend change at primary degree. Taking you now to a main wave count for this last piece of movement, where this high for C green is this point up here. Within wave C green, it's subdivided at orange degree to a simple impulse. Here was the top of 1, 2, 3, triangle for 4, and a fairly long extended fifth wave, which meets all rules and guidelines and has some nice Fibonacci ratios in it. This 4 purple does not move into wave this 1 purple, neither does this 4 aqua move into here. At purple degree, wave 3 purple is 14 points short of 1.618 the length of wave 1. There's no Fibonacci ratio between 5 and 3 or 1. Within the central part of the fifth wave here at aqua degree, wave 3 aqua has no Fibonacci ratio to wave 1, but wave 5 is just 4 points longer than equality with 1. So there's a nice relationship of equality there, and 3 is the longest. And it's really nicely contained in this little trend channel drawn using Elliott's technique. Almost perfectly shows us where 1, 2, 3 and 4 is just falling very slightly short of this parallel channel, with an overshoot for the fifth wave, which is really common to see. This wave count will be confirmed with price movement below 11,379, because at that stage it couldn't be a second wave correction within this fifth wave, and it must be the end of the fifth wave. And our first indication of a possible trend change, at least at minute degree, will come with price movement below the lower edge of this parallel trend channel. However, this alternate is also possible. It's all the same to this point. Thereafter, just the degree of labelling here differs. Instead of an end to wave 5 orange, we may have only just seen the end to wave 1 within wave 5. This wave count's invalidated with movement below 11,379, and it would expect a second wave correction to correct around about the fourth wave of 1 lesser degree and take price to the lower edge of this parallel channel, and probably outside it. So the trend channel breach isn't confirmation of a trend change at minute degree, only movement below this price point is. If we see further upwards movement, this is the target in which we should expect it to end, which isn't that much further away. This is on a daily chart, my alternate wave count, which sees an end to wave 4 blue down here with an A. A B is a 3-wave structure with a fairly decent truncation for wave C within it, and a short little C. Thereafter, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave structure, and again, it could be over here. We'll only have confirmation of this trend change at intermediate and primary degree, however, if we see price move below 10,720. That's an important price point. If we see price move below that, we can expect it to continue on down and make new lows below 6,470. So it's worth exercising a little bit of patience and waiting for that confirmation of that trend change at primary degree to move below that point before entering long-term short positions for the Dow. That's all for me with your free Dow analysis, and if you want daily analysis of the S&P 500, you'll find it on my site. I hope everyone else is having an awesome new year.